It's a picture of a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're going to be under arrest, okay? Oh, yeah, you're under arrest.
¿Y usted qué tiene la misma cosa?
2 women. A shoplifting call. 12 minutes of body cam footage that never really touches the theft. Because what this case is actually about is identification. What legally counts as proof of who you are, and what happens when you cannot produce it. That is the question running through every minute of this footage. A witness named Jackson was standing 4 feet away and saw everything. Under New York Criminal Procedure Law, Section 140.10, one credible eyewitness account establishes probable cause. The arrest was lawful from the start.
Recognize him from everyone.
Where are you? Can I have you back here? Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, brother?
Shoplifters.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Stand up. Párese. Ponga la mano hacia atrás. Siéntese. Usted también. Manos hacia atrás. Yeah, I just got here right now. Now I'm gonna get their names.
You got your license ready?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to be the one talking. ¿Se puede sentar?
¿Licencia sí o no? ¿Passport?
Una foto.
Okay,
¿Fotos?
¿qué es lo que tienen de identificación?
Una foto en el
¿Foto de
teléfono,
a dónde?
En el celular.
Pero
El
foto
pasaporte.
de su célula o de su pasaporte? They have like ¿De dónde son?
De Ecuador.
I think they have like
So
ID.
they're
Yeah.
coming in, most likely anyways.
It's not indictable.
Can you confirm who they are?
No. Okay. Yeah, I figured it was this.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that. Absolutely not. Look at that. It's a picture of a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're going to be under arrest, okay? Oh, yeah, you're under arrest.
¿Y usted qué tiene la misma cosa?
No tengo pasaporte.
¿Usted tiene
de Ecuador,
pasaporte?
sí.
She has a passport.
We'll take a look at her. She's 100% going to be under arrest. That's a
Okay.
picture of a picture. We're not worried.
Deme un momentito, okay? Yeah. Let me at least copy that though. I've seen it before. They No. Like I know how that ID looks like, but a picture of a picture is
That's
crazy.
wild. Yeah, no, that's not. Who's going to talk to first?
¿Cuál es su procedimiento?
I think we're better off just doing both then.
You want to?
Because we obviously 100% have to do the one. Because, and I don't feel comfortable probably, we'll see what she has, but we're probably not going to properly identify either.
I mean, worst case, they're just gonna be released then.
Yeah, it's just non-diable shop.
Yeah, so there's just gonna be
I think we set the prep release. We start non-diable stuff again. Yeah, we do, because we have to.
probably one, not the
we're
other
gonna have
one.
to do probably both.
But even with a passport?
It's just you have a passport on or just a picture of a picture.
¿Usted tiene el pasaporte con usted o es una foto de un pasaporte? It's a picture.
Nah, she's gone.
Okay, all right.
You're cool with that, right? You understand why we're for that?
Just to confirm the identity.
Pictures of, we have no idea. If they actually had the actual passport,
You want to run it by Sal just
No.
to be? No, just do it.
do you know who they are?
No.
I can't confirm who they are. So. How much exactly was it? I almost went
Su número de teléfono. ¿La misma dirección o no?
No.
Okay. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Paco.
Alright, so I got their names.
Kenny and two guys total of they were walking together. They literally put the jackets on and were walking right out without paying for it. The walk past all parts of sale.
You still wanna send them
They don't have any
For the video?
They don't have any video footage right now. There is video footage. They just don't have access to it right now.
Let me just send them the link.
No, you don't have to. There's no because they don't.
Oh,
have
it's
any
not
right now.
indictable.
They don't have any.
They don't have nothing?
They don't have any video footage access right now.
I just do like 4 foot surveillance, so it's not.
Yes, the floor. He saw everything.
So everything.
Okay.
So
Yeah, he watched everything go
Alright,
down.
so I'll just document and say that it was just 4.
Yeah.
And you have the amount, right?
Yep, I got the
Alright,
receipt
I
right
just
here.
gotta-
I got his info.
Pat them, somewhat pat them down
Search for
so
that.
we can do it.
Okay.
Okay, put it. Señor, ¿se puede parar? Venga acá. ¿Tiene cualquier cosa en sus bolsillos que me va a picar o cualquier cosa? ¿Tiene un cuchillo en algo, no? ¿No? Ok. Bueno, gracias. This is as best as I can do until Roman gets here.
Sí, tenía disculpa.
Enough money to pay for the jackets.
Sí, que es para pagar unas cosas que son como 300 que tengo. Sí, lo siento por no haber cancelado. Sí,
More than enough money for the jackets.
Well, I'm not. When we bring them in, I'm going to try to do it as fast as possible just so they can just. ¿Sabe cuánto dinero tiene?
Tengo como, a ver, me gasté 50, yo tenía 300, más 60. Yo creo que está como unos 300.
This is one of their. This is,
That's her phone.
That's whose?
It's her phone.
Her phone?
Her phone. Her phone. Her phone. You could just put it there. They're going together anyway. So.
I'm gonna put your phone in here, okay?
Dese la vuelta. I don't think I secured it. So that's how we were just going to let him.
Yeah, we can't confirm who they are at all.
Voy a mover. Espera. Okay.
They said they didn't have any IDs or anything.
¿Ustedes no tienen identificaciones de los Estados Unidos? ¿Todo es del Ecuador?
Sí, yo solo tengo de Ecuador. Sí, yo tengo de Ecuador.
They said they only have from Ecuador. So, passport, but it's a picture, and then she has the picture of her ID. So,
Never seen that.
all right. You ready?
Yep.
What are we going to do? I got it. Permiso. Yeah, excuse me?
Disculpe, una pregunta.
Uh-huh.
Let's do one-on-one, I guess.
¿Puedo llamar?
You want to do one-on-one?
Yo tengo niños, quería ver si me las podían ir a andármelas viendo.
Cuando lleguemos, ahí veo si le damos el número de el teléfono para que pueda llamar. Tenga cuidado. Lista. ¿Está bien? Okay.
They are not fun. Or just go over to Antoine.
So even though it's not indictable, I still say over the here
So they're still under arrest. Okay. So
because of that.
because we cannot probably have no idea who they are.
Okay.
If you're say yes, this is 100% you.
Okay.
Then we'll be able to let them go and see. But we can't.
Okay. R5.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna have two female 503s. Starting mileage to HQ is going to be 34861. One's going to be with me, the other one's going to be...
The officers asked for identification. Both subjects produced cell phones, photographs of documents, not the documents themselves. A photo of a passport cannot be queried in a database. That is not a technicality. That is the floor. Here is what likely went unrecognized. One subject referenced an Ecuadorian consular identification card issued by the Ecuadorian consulate in New York City, carrying her name, date of birth, photograph, and local address. New York City administrative policy recognizes those consular cards for municipal purposes. Officers working in high-density immigrant communities should know that. The failure to probe this document type is the central gap in this encounter. The Supreme Court addressed Stop and Identify in Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada in 2004. Officers may compel a suspect to state their name during a lawful detention. Document production is a separate question. New York has no general stop and identify statute requiring physical document production absent a lawful arrest. The arrest here was predicated on the shoplifting, not on refusal to produce identification alone. That distinction matters at a suppression hearing. Once the arrest was initiated, fingerprinting became mandatory under New York Criminal Procedure Law, Section 160.10. A Class A misdemeanor triggers it with no discretionary exception. Processing was happening regardless. One subject disclosed she was pregnant and complained of back pain. NYPD patrol guide procedures require documented acknowledgement and reasonable accommodation during transport and booking. The camera does not show either. That gap is now on record.
Se pueden sentar.
Show us a picture of an Ecuadorian license.
Ok. ¿Se puede ver?
Si puedo caminar, es que estoy embarazada y no puedo estar muy tiempo así sentada, me duele la
Ok,
columna.
ok, tranquilo. So que quiere estar parado. Okay.
It's not in that life right there.
Yeah. It's,
Explain to them, for them to call somebody right now, bring whatever ID they have to confirm who they are, and they can go home.
okay.
Explain that.
¿Se puede sacar el jacket? She says she's pregnant.
Okay, explain to her.
I'm going to tell her.
She wants to
Saca
go
su
home.
jacket. Ok, so esto es lo que vamos a hacer. Como ustedes no tienen ninguna identificación, ¿verdad? Nosotros necesitamos que ustedes llamen a alguien para que les traigan el ID. Porque necesitamos confirmar quién usted es. Las dos.
Pero sí tenemos fotos.
Esas fotos no valen. Necesitamos el ID. They're saying that they just have pictures.
Okay. Who has those IDs?
Ok, ¿dónde está el ID?
Yo tengo un ID, pero es de Nueva York y el pasaporte, la verdad el pasaporte,
¿Dónde está su pasaporte?
en mi casa.
Ok.
El pasaporte sí.
El pasaporte está en la casa. Ok, ¿y el suyo? ¿Usted tiene pasaporte?
No, yo tengo solo
¿Qué tiene? ¿Lo que me enseñó?
el ID consular que me dieron aquí. Ese me dieron aquí.
La que me enseñó en la foto.
Ahí está, incluso cuando vivía yo allá
Ok.
en Nueva York, ahí está.
Ok, está bien. So, esas dos IDs, ¿pueden llamar a alguien para que lo puedan traer?
Es que no, yo
She's saying she has a passport and then she has the Ecuadorian's ID that they give.
The country of
No, she got it here because it has a New York address.
and where are they? Those IDs?
They're at home.
Where's home? That doesn't help you.
I think they give that here in the consulate.
Where are the IDs?
At home.
Where is home? That doesn't help. Okay, can someone from drop
¿Alguien
off?
puede traer los IDs?
Pero estamos
Eso
pensando.
le estoy diciendo a ella para ver si no pueden, o sea, para poder llamar para ver si quieren
Okay,
ayudar para marcar.
let me get her phone. She says she's going to try to call.
And have either of them been arrested before or been given summonses before? Motor vehicle summons.
Ustedes antes fueron arrestados? Usted sí. She says her yes.
Okay. Whatever
Okay.
information she has on that she's given a summons for, give it to you, see if that might qualify, see if it pops up. The other girl has to drop something off.
Okay.
Do that. Give them a phone
That's
call
her.
for each of them.
So since she's gotten tickets before, her information should still be
Tickets
there.
or arrested?
She says she's gotten arrested. ¿Este es su número? ¿Este es su celular? ¿Ese es el suyo? Okay.
Give them a phone call first, and have somebody bring whatever IDs they have first, and then confirm who she is.
¿Cuál es?
Ese es el de ella.
Okay. ¿Se puede? No se tiene que sentar. No, tranquilo. Tranquilo. Se puede. Deme una mano. Lo único que necesitamos es aquí, me da, nos trae el ID y después ahí ustedes se pueden ir. ¿Ok? So no, tranquila, no. ¿Ok? Ok, ¿se puede esperar?
Disculpe, no puedo decir sí, se me muy rápido. Es que sea que digamos lo están diciendo que la pasando en mi casa que pase de algo.
Okay. I'm gonna do that.
The officers offered both subjects a way out, call someone, have them bring the physical documents, and go home. That reflects the proportionality standard established in Graham versus Connor from 1989. Arrest is a tool. These officers treated it like one. The lead officer receives a B-. Bilingual communication throughout satisfied New York City Executive Order 120 on language access. The miss was the consular identification card. That knowledge gap closed off a less coercive path. The secondary officer receives a B+. He documented the eyewitness account correctly, managed logistics cleanly, and showed proportionality throughout. The consular identification question was not his to lead, but he did not raise it either. Subject 1 receives a B. Full cooperation, no resistance. Information provided verbally. She did not carry the documents she owns. That single fact made everything else follow. Subject 2 receives a B+. She disclosed her pregnancy on camera that is now a matter of record with legal weight. She named her documents precisely and exhausted every option before booking became the outcome. The takeaway for foreign nationals is specific. Carry your physical passport or consular identification card, not a photo, not a screenshot. In New York City, the Ecuadorian consular card is recognized by municipal policy. It could have ended this encounter in 2 minutes. For law enforcement, consular cards from Latin American embassies and consulates in New York are not foreign documents. They are issued here, locally. Knowing how to verify them is part of working this jurisdiction. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. Any Petit larceny charge under New York Penal Law, Section 165.40 rests on the eyewitness account and whether store video was later recovered. If there is a bodycam interaction or legal topic you want analyzed, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching and check out Street Bodycam on our second channel for more footage and courtroom content.